Okay guys, I'm so excited to do this unboxing with y'all. I purposely did not do my hair because I have a really fun box to open from Calicapelli. First thing I have is the Shine Detangling Brush. It is a beautiful brush. Look how shiny that is. It's a cute shape too. I'm going to guess that this is a heat-proof mat for putting your flat iron down. It's a really cute color. Let's open the big box. What do you guys think? So this is their Pro 1-inch straightener gold edition. So excited to open this thing up and check it out. They have the cutest colors. It says that the floating plates auto adjust to your hair thickness and type. Adjustable temperature technology reduces static and frizz. Sleek, ergonomic, soft touch grip in a gorgeous array of colors. They do have a lot of cute colors. They have like purple and black and leopard and the mint green and a pink. And it is a beautiful straightener with rose gold titanium plates that heat up to 450 degrees. They also sent me some silk scrunchies that are supposed to not leave a crease in your hair. So you can straighten your hair, put it up with the scrunchies, and it doesn't leave a ponytail crease, which is great. I love doing my hair just sleek and straight, so let's do that. Okay, so the straightener is heating up. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of these scrunchies that they sent me and my hairbrush and divide my hair up. I like to do like a little flip at the bottom of my hair, and I think that the straightener is doing that really nicely. I just kind of quickly went through my whole head and straightened it, and my hair looks beautiful. It's not frizzy at all, which I love. So that's those rose gold titanium plates. And I am so excited to own this flat iron. I think my hair looks really good. And I'm obsessed with this really pretty gold detangling brush. I think it works really well. And all my new scrunchies and my hair clips. So check out Calicapelli.